What's going on, Trader Gang? Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We are back at it again with another Sunday night market breakdown. Appreciate you guys popping on. Go ahead and show some love in the chat. I want to share with you guys before we get into the market breakdown of this crazy trade I'm in right now. So give me 1 second. Alright guys, check this out. So this is a trade I'm currently in right now. So I'm $240 in profit. So if you guys see here, I actually got almost stopped out twice. So we had a double top over here and then turned into a tweezer top here, and it has respected this area of resistance. So right now I'm trying to target 25.45. So we'll see if it pulls down into that area. So because right now it's respecting this area of support right here. So I need to break this area of support to hit my TP. So this has been like literally nerve-wracking because I almost got stopped out twice. So I'm hoping I don't get stopped out at all. So it should continue to push down, and I'm hoping it's going to break this area of support right here. So this area right here we're trying to break. So I'll put a rectangle here. This is the area we're trying to break. So obviously over here we had this whole area of consolidation, and then we had a push up, and this was before the market closed. The market opened, it actually dipped, tapped into this previous support area right here, pushed up into here, and then literally pulled back down, pulled up, pulled back down. So I'm hoping it's going to break through this. If not, then I'll just take my profit. So we got 2 minutes and 50 seconds on the 5 minute. So let's see if we can look on a higher time frame. So just looking at this, we have a huge bearish engulfing. So we have a little pullback here, which I think it's going to continue to push down personally into this area right here, 25.45, which my TP is at, or even lower at this wick right here at 25.44. So, but we'll see. So hope you guys don't mind kind of hanging out and watching this through. I don't want to spend too much longer in here. I've been in this trade for like at least an hour or two since a little after 6 when the market opened. So I'm waiting for this to push past here. So let's see if it respects this area of support right here. It should push down here. Yeah, this might push back up into this area here. So let's see, 44 seconds. Yeah, I think this can push lower. Man, this trade has honestly been like the biggest patience, because I could have gotten out at the very top there and just said, forget it, it's gonna stop me out. And I just kind of held to my trade and I never got stopped out. Because if I zoom in on here, I was probably, so if I go from this wick to right here, I was literally two pips away. So, or 2 points away, we say in futures. So there we go, we're getting another push down. So we're looking for it to push past this support. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a push up. See if it pulls down further. Good, we're still in profit. Boom. Okay, let's see. Let's go, baby. Come on, push through, push through. See if it breaks through. So we got 2 minutes left on the 5 minute before that candle closes. I think we could break this support level. I have strong faith. Who thinks we can break this support level? Put a 1 in the chat if you think we can break it. Almost. Let's go. 300 in profit. Let's go. You guys are seeing this live. So let's break it. Come on, we got 1:20. Let's hope it doesn't bounce off it. It's got to break through it. gotta break through. Because if it bounces off it, like I'm probably gonna get out because it'll probably pull back and then it may go back down, but I don't want to wait. So we got 45 seconds. Let's see if it pushes further down. Alright, got a strong wick. Or a strong candle, excuse me. So let's see if it'll break it. Yeah, 10 seconds. One second. See if it's gonna bounce. See, is it gonna break through? Or is it gonna bounce? Let's see. So you're gonna get a little bit of a pullback. Let's see if it's gonna push. Faith is going to break through. Let's go. $340. It's got to push through. There we go, 380. There we go, it just broke this point right here. Let's see if it pushes down more. We're at 400 in profit. See if it pushes more. There we go, it pushed through. Let's go. Let's go, keep pushing. No pullback. Come on. It's gonna pull back. Let's see. See if it pushes further. Go, 440. Was at 460 a second ago. See if we break 500. Let's go. $500. Let's go. 520. All right, I'm closing. We're getting a pullback. So there we go. It's probably going to keep pushing, but I don't want to risk it. So you guys saw $440 right there. So you guys see the profit right there. $451. There you go. You guys saw that live. So I only need $400 more to pass my challenge. So I will pass it this week. That is my goal. So thank God. So, man, I was in that trade for like 2 hours. So, and I'm a scalper. I don't like staying in there for too long. So, because it's probably going to pull back. It probably will pull back down, like I said. It'll probably pull down to here. I'll probably pull down to this area right here. 25.44. That's probably the next target. So you can see where there was a lot of consolidation right here. So again, it's probably going to target here, these lows, or even these lows here. So, or it could target here before it goes back up. And we can make another all-time high again this week. So you guys can see right there, it's kind of stuck. So we'll see what this candle does right here. It's probably going to push up now. Because it also created a wick right here. So it closed right here. So let's see if it continues to push down here. And then we'll go through our breakdown. So it may continue to fill this right here. Because I don't know too much about like fair value gaps or anything like that, but we do have a gap right here. So literally from the body to the wick, right there. So we do have a fair value gap, something like that. I think that's a fair value gap right there. I don't know too much about those, but it could very well fill this area right here. So that's why I'm saying it's probably going to target right here. So, but for now, let's take a look at news. So let's see what next week looks like for us. So we're closing the end of the month of August here. So let's see, Monday, nothing there. Tuesday, CB consumer confidence. Yeah, that's it. S&P, but nothing really there for Tuesday. Wednesday, crude oil inventory, FOMC, Boostic speaks. Nothing really for Wednesday either. Okay, Thursday we got some prelim GDP, unemployment claims. Pre-market, so again, this could move the market in the morning. If you are going to trade pre-market, just be careful. Make sure you have your stop loss and TP. And then Friday, what do we got? Friday, 9:30, we have PMI, manufacturing PMI. No, so that's 9:30 at night. Never mind. Other than that, that's it. So we have core PCE price index, GDP. This may move. This is for CAD, but this may move the market a little bit. But this week doesn't really look like we have any news at all. So that's a good thing. All right, so not too much news to worry about this week, so it's good to hear. All right, so let's go back to the charts. So look, as you guys see here, sorry, I want to take this picture for Graham. Cool. All right. So what did I say? Look, it's actually pushing up right now. So we're having a push up. So it's respecting this level of support. So, because if you look here, we actually have no bottom wick on that bullish candle. So do we? Oh, actually we do. I take that back. Yeah, so we do. Okay. So, but again, it's going to pull back, and it may continue to push back down. So, but I'm glad I got out where I got out, because look. So it's probably going to push up here, and then we'll have a pullback down here. So, but I'm going to erase all this because we're going to start fresh. So, all right, actually, one second. I want to get a better. This thing's a little slow. Okay, never mind. All right, so you see here it's rejecting right here. So of course we have a pin bar right here. So it's going to continue to push down. So, but again, let's go on the higher time frame right now. And let's break down this chart. So let's clear all these drawings. All right, so don't mind the arrows. Those are the trades that I took. I just took a total of 3 trades earlier. So again, what do we look for on the higher time frame? We look for trend, right? So on the weekly, bring our trend line out, and I'll drag it all the way here. So I'm going to keep this green because it is bullish right now. So again, this already gives me an indication that we're bullish because again, we had a candle here that is higher than this candle or the previous candles. So that's bullish. If it were below here, then I would say it would probably be bearish and we're probably looking for target these lows and even this low and this low. So again, we're going to do our top-down analysis. So again, weekly is bullish. So that's where we are to start. All right, and then go down to the daily. All right. So we still have some bullish movement here because if you see here, we've been making some higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, or lower high, lower low, and then came back up, made a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. So we are definitely pushing up. So I actually have a firm belief that we may hit another all-time high. We could definitely hit, I want to say 2575 or 2600 this week. I'm even just going to put this here. So 2600. So this is going to be an all-time high.
How much longer do you have?
15 minutes.
Okay, start the growth. Start the growth of the stick.
All right. So let's show the text. Oops. So all-time high. This is my prediction. All right. I know how to spell prediction. Prediction. Okay. All right. All-time high prediction. Right here. At let's see, 2600. All right, there we go. All right, so the weekly is bullish, and so is the daily. Alright, so daily is bullish as well. So this is where we're going to actually do our support and resistance. So we're going to mark up our areas. All right. So really quick, we'll see kind of what the week did. So this is the daily, obviously. So what was last week? Last Monday was the 19th. So the 19th is right here. So during the week, it looks like we had a push up here on Tuesday, and then we actually pushed down, and we actually closed at 25.16, and then we actually pushed up on Friday because of Powell news. We actually pushed up all the way to 25.55. So, and I want to say we're going to continue to test this area here, 25.70. So I think we have a good shot of surpassing this here. So again, so daily is bullish. So again, we're going to mark up our areas. So let's do support first. So we got our support area right here because of course it's tapped in here multiple times. So I like that area right here. And then we could have another area of support right here as well. Because again, it's tapped in here multiple times. And then also, so right here, this is going to be support, obviously. Or sorry, this is resistance. And then we do have another support area right here. All right. So we got a couple areas here. So I'm not really going to worry too much of down here. So I'm going to see, we'll see if it's going to, if it does continue to pull down here, then we'll actually look at these lower lows. But I want to continue to focus here because we have a huge push up, which it on Friday it almost filled this candle. It actually did. It actually filled this whole candle because we did have a pullback and it closed. But we're also continuing to come up also. So, so we're going to mark this as our major resistance. All right, major resistance level at, or actually let's do this. We'll put it daily. Daily major resistance at 25.70. So I'll literally just put that at 25.70. Okay. All right, 25.70, and then we have a support level. So daily major support at, I want to say, I'll say 25, let me see, so I can see better. Let's do 25.10. So right here, 25.10. All right, and then we have another support level. All right, daily major support at, let's see, 24. 24.80. 2480. Alright guys, so we got that one and we got one more. One more daily support level. And that's going to be at 24.25. I like that. There we go. 24.25. Alright, perfect. Alright. So there we have it. So there's our support and resistance levels, and also some key levels as well. Let's go down to the 4 hour and let's see what that trend looks like. So as of right now, I want to say it could be bullish because we still haven't broken this area right here, obviously. But I want to say we're still bullish. So because if you zoom out again, we're still following a bullish trend. So we have 3 points, roughly. So you have A, B, C. So more than likely we're going to continue up. So where it is, let's bring this down here. All right. And this thing moves. Okay, so 4 hours bullish also. All right, here we go. We have our whole top-down analysis right here. So everything is bullish. So again, we just need to make sure that the lower time frames match the higher time frames. But I always look at the higher time frame for the overall trend. So, because even if, say this is a 4 hour, even if this does pull back, more than likely by the end of the week, it's going to push back up. So like I said, we could see an all-time high prediction, 2,600. So that's what I predict. So like I said, even if we do have a huge push down into this area of support or even here, it could push back up. So that's what we're going to look for. So again, look at the lower time frames for your entries. I typically trade off of the 5 minute. But again, also look at the higher time frames for trend and direction. All right, just make sure you have more than one confluence. You know, more than one indicator that's going to indication that's going to verify your trade. All right, so that's all I got, guys. So yeah, it looks like we're creating a new zone here also. So if I were to pull this all the way to here, so keep this at 2570. So you can see we're in a range here. So we'll see if we end up pulling back down into this support level or if we continue pushing up past this resistance level, and we'll see if it actually respects this resistance level and pulls back down before it goes back up. So that's what we'll have to look for. All right, so let's look at the 5 minutes, see what my trade did. Yeah, so you can see here, it did the tweezer top. And then of course we had the double top also. So it did push down further. So as we see here, because remember I told you the target was going to be down here. So it did push down and it's probably going to push down here. So we could see a push down before it goes back up. So like I said, it's going to respect one of these support levels here before it goes back up and taps into here and here. So that's what we're looking for. But other than that, that's all we got, guys. Appreciate you guys popping on every Sunday. And that was so cool to actually record my trade as well. So super excited about that. Definitely excited to be in profit. I only have like $400 more to till I hit my profit target. So I don't know if it updated or not. Let me check this before I hop off with y'all. Let's see. Yeah, so it didn't update yet. So I'm gonna grab my calculator real quick. So I'll show you guys this really quick. On my Top Step dashboard. So if you guys see this, on my Top Step dashboard, I was already 2,100 in profit, and I needed to meet this target, make an additional $608. So I was right underneath that, which is okay. So because I made what, $451. So I'm at $52,613. So if I add, let's see, so if I had 21, let's see, 21, 61.44 plus 450, 451.68. .68. That'll give me 2613. So I'll literally be $400 short. Yep, 52. Yep. So we are almost there, guys. So I am going to pass this week for sure. Hopefully by Wednesday. So yeah, guys, appreciate you guys popping on as always. If you guys wouldn't mind, like, comment, and subscribe on here. Definitely want to continue to grow this channel. Hopefully I can reach more people, of course, with these market breakdowns. So yeah, have a great trading week, guys. Have a great week. And if you guys have any questions or anything, just put a comment down below. I will always answer them. And stay profitable. And again, watch me on my IG, Nikki_Pips, and watch me pass this challenge this week and for all my trades. All right, peace, guys.